What's up YouTube? And if you're still thinking that why I'm looking so messy, because I'm broke, send me some money, I need some money right now. Okay. In this video I am going to show you how to install M2 in your motherboard. So for that I am going to use Samsung 850 EVO and ASUS Rampage 5 edition 10 motherboard. So first let me tell you that the motherboard that is that ASUS Rampage 5 edition 10 do not support M.2 SATA drives. So basically I'm using that 850 EVO from Samsung. So it is a M.2 SATA but I'm only installing that and giving you the demo how to install M2. So basically I'm not going to use that in my X99 motherboard, that is that ASUS Rampage 5 edition 10. I'm going to use that in my old build, that is that Z97 Pro Gamer. So it's actually that board is actually extremely packed in my cabinet, so it's very difficult to take it out and show you guys. So for that I'm going to use my new board instead. And if you're thinking is there any difference, so let me tell you that all the M2 installation across all the motherboards are exactly the same, so it works with all the boards. So let's get into it. So there you go guys, with the installation of that M2, and I've also done the unboxing of that 850 EVO and 850 Pro SSDs. So I'm going to leave the link in my description, and please do check them out too. And if you like this video, press the thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it now, and I will catch you guys soon.